Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make Gongura chutney. So for that we need Gongura washed, green chilies, garlic, urad dal and tamarind soaked in little water, and then chana dal and rock salt. So let us see how to make it. Once the kadai is heated, I am going to add little oil, and then once it is heated, I'm going to add urad dal, then goes the chana dal. Saute it nicely till it is golden brown. So once it is fried, I'm going to add the green chilies and garlic, and then goes the gongura. Now fry it nicely till it is cooked. Now this is cooked well. I'm going to switch off the stove, cool it, and then grind it into a paste. Now once it is cooled, I'm going to add a little salt and then the soaked little tamarind to it, and then grind it into a paste. Now I am going to give tadka for the chutney. Add oil, then once the oil is heated, I have added the mustard seeds, and now I am going to add the cumin seeds, and little hing, and then goes the curry. Be careful while doing the tadka. That's it. I'm going to shift this into the chutney. I gave the tadka to the chutney. Now you can happily enjoy this chutney with idli, dosa, rice, chapati also. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.